Google Meet is a video conferencing solution initially meant to be used for businesses. Right now, everyone with a Google account can use this to create free meetings of up to 100 people for an unlimited amount of times. Although this is a solid performing application, there are instances when certain issues can occur. In this latest installment of our troubleshooting series, we will tackle the Google Meet microphone not working issue. Check the browser microphone permissions. You will need to give permission for me to use the microphone from the Chrome settings. Open the Google Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on its icon from the Start menu list of applications. Click on More. This is the 3 vertical dots on the upper right side of the browser. Click on Settings. This will open a settings window. Click on Privacy and Security. This can be found at the left pane. Click on Side Settings. This can be found at the right pane. Click on Microphones. This can be found on the right pane. Click on the forward arrow, located after Google Meet. This will open the permission settings. Make sure that Allow is chosen on the microphone drop-down box. This gives Meet permission to use the microphone. I hope that this guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell.